Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a 3D miniature model of your Free Fire avatar on Gemini. You're going to add in your image, like the image of your avatar, and you're going to paste this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below, and you're going to press submit. Once it's done generating, it usually takes a few minutes. You can also try image editing with their best model, which is Nano Banana. This is what it should look like at the end. Super cool. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.